Last night, the Justice Committee decided to recommend amendments to the Supreme Court law proposed by the government. The committee's approval was not given to amendments submitted by opposition deputies. We submitted them during the committee's work last night, and we will also submit them in the second reading, because we want to adopt a good law, one that, first, will unlock funds from the European Union, and second, will guarantee the judiciary's independence. Yesterday, Justice Minister and Prosecutor General Zbigniew Ziobro announced that Solidarity Poland will not support the bill, as it considers it blackmail by the European Commission. According to the position of the Minister of Justice, who had nothing to do with the creation of this law, unfortunately, the law was written outside the walls of the Constitutional Minister of Justice. This law, which was created in cooperation with the Eurocrats, is unconstitutional. Whether it is constitutional may be determined by the Constitutional Court. According to the draft amendment to the law, disciplinary and immunity cases of judges will no longer go to the Chamber of Professional Responsibility of the Supreme Court, but will be decided by the Supreme Administrative Court. In the amendments, the opposition requested that the Supreme Court's criminal chamber handle the judges' cases. There is no agreement on this. The decision that was adopted after long talks with the European Commission was accepted as meeting milestones. To do otherwise could be perceived as questioning this arrangement. During committee deliberations, Law and Justice tabled one amendment. Here it is about those disciplinary proceedings that will have been validly terminated so that appeals can be made to the Supreme Administrative Court. Under the transitional provisions, this amendment was accepted by the committee. The draft amendment also includes an expansion of the test of a judge's independence and impartiality. If the bill enters into force, the test could be initiated not only by the party to the proceedings, but also ex officio by the court itself.
Sędziowie mają być niezależni.
Judges are supposed to be independent when they sit in the courtroom in a robe and with an eagle on their chest and rule on behalf of Poland, according to their conscience, based on the totality of the laws and respect for the Constitution and the will of the people as expressed in the laws in force. If the milestones are met, Poland will receive a total of more than 30 billion euros in the form of non-refundable grants and low-interest loans.